Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Aakash Gupta.
Thank you.
He heads ThinkEvolve and VanNetra, which is the eyes of the forest. Over to you, Aakash.
So, VanNetra, if you look at it, forest, my name is Aakash Gupta and I'm from ThinkEvolve. And we believe that forest officers who are on the ground are the backbone of the conservation efforts being taken up by the state government. Now, they have to face a number of challenges, including poaching, illegal logging, and if you have seen recently, there were the images of the devastation that has taken place across Telangana. This is where VanNetra comes in, where we have reached out to these stakeholders and built a platform which helps them get all the information together in a single platform. So the forest officials on the ground, they go out, they trek about 40-50 kilometers a day. They gather the camera trap data, they gather survey information, and all that is collated and insights are generated. So, yeah. Thank you. So, now this entire activity was taking about from 2 to 3 months. By deploying VanNetra with the smart cameras, this has reduced to 60 to 80 minutes. What we see that over here is that once the smart camera is deployed, it detects the animals. It will create a kind of alert so that if it is around any kind of habitats or where humans are living, we can give them a proper kind of information about it. So if you can play media one. By processing those videos, we can also look at the length and the height of the animals, and this is useful for doing the psychological impact and understanding each of the animals out there. Next. So if you see out here that even though the quality of the video is not that good, but we are still able to capture the tiger out there and ensure that this information is passed on to the correct authorities. This is, if you go to the next slide, we are also using this to identify individual tigers as well as leopards and matching it with different places. The platform looks at 20 different species of animals, can create spatial temporal maps with it. It can help them identify any kind of psychological changes. We're also looking at vulnerability zones where human-animal conflicts are higher. And if any of these smart cameras detect a person, we use facial detection and send it to the officer on the field. So, so the can you play the last video, please? So this all is like a kind of a platform which allows not only the forest officials, also the animal field biologists to be able to analyze and look at the different aspects of the animals. We have built this new feature which allows them to look at the animal, the images, look at videos, videos can be processed. We can get weather information and then try to get that all and provide a holistic view of the forest. So that's how VanNetra is done. And Hyderabad is one of the most beautiful places out there. If I had a video of Hyderabad, which is jungles of Hyderabad, which I wanted to showcase out here, but because of the less time interval, I cannot show it. But it's a very beautiful place. Some amount of devastation because of this thing has taken place, but I highly suggest going down there, looking at it and enjoying the beauty of it. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Aakash. Please, if you can stay back, and if I can request Ms. Ritu also to come back on stage for 1 quick minute. I request Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu to come on stage, please, to give Mr. Aakash Gupta and Ms. Ritu Mehrotra a token of our appreciation. Small memento to both of them, please. They've been doing wonderfully well as part of the social good initiative. Please, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So while the pictures are being taken, in the interest of time, let me quickly move on to the next section before we break.